These are notes for section 10.6. Okay, 10.6, our last section, page 608, 1 to 49 odd. So it looks like we have exponential equations and some more logs. And we had to go up to problem 49, so there we are there. Aim it a little bit better there. And the answer is in the back. So 10.6, here we are at the bottom there. And scroll a little bit to the right. Okay, so that should do it. Okay, now the first thing I'll do is show you problems at the end on your calculator. So 43 to 49, find a decimal approximation to each of the following natural logarithms. Okay, so this is using your ln button, natural log. Okay, so let's say number 43, ln 345. So in my calculator, ln, which stands for natural log. See, what's the base for natural logs? It's e. If you look above the ln, you see e to the x there. So ln 345. So problem number 43, ln 345, 5.8435 rounded to 4 digits. Okay, and again, some of your calculators, it automatically gives you a left paren, so you have to close it with a right paren. Let's try number 45, ln of 0.345. So I'll hit ln, okay. I'm going to hit the left paren because on some of your calculators, once you hit ln, it automatically comes with a left paren. So you folks would have to just close it. So for 45, I'm doing 0.345, 0.345, and then close it with the right paren. Negative 1.0642 to 4 digits to the right decimal point. And then on just a regular scientific calculator like this, again, some of you might have to go backwards. So let's say 47, natural log of 10, ln 10. So you folks would have to hit 10 first, and then hit ln, which is right over here. So 10 ln 2.3026, rounded to 4 digits to the right decimal point. Okay, so this should take care of the majority of the calculators that are out there, or either one of the types that I've showed you up to now. Okay, now let's solve some of these exponential equations and how are they done. Okay, so let me show you that. 3 to the x equals 5. Now be careful, this is not 3x equals 5. It's 3 raised to the x equals 5. So the trick is to take the log of both sides, put log. You could also do natural log, but we'll do log for now. The reason why you want to do that is because now when you have a log, this x gets to come in front. So it's x log 3 equals log 5. Divide both sides by log 3. So x is log 5 over log 3. Okay, and then you can punch this in your calculator. And some words of caution. You might think, can I cancel the logs? No. Okay, in other words, make it 5/3. No, it's not 5/3. And you say, how come? Well, if you just divide log 5 by log 3, here it is. That's not the same as 5/3, so you can't do it. The other thing you're not allowed to do is take the log of the fraction 5/3. That's also different. So don't change this to just 5/3 by canceling logs. Don't change it to log of 5/3. You literally have to take it as is. Okay, so log 5 divided by log 3. So let me try, sorry. Log 5 divided by, log is right here, so log 3. Log 5 divided by log 3. 1.46497 means 1.4650, rounded off. Okay. 5 to the negative x equals 12. So log both sides, log, the negative x comes down in front. Divide both sides by negative log 5. So negative log 12 over log 5. Okay, so I'm actually writing this all out for those of you that can't put this all at one time. So let's do the backward type calculator. So log 12, you folks are going to hit 12, and then log, which is right here. Here it is, 1.07, blah, 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 blah. And then log 5, I'm going to hit 5 log 0.69897, blah, 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 blah. And then just divide the two. Keep in mind there's a negative. So if I take that divided by that, I got negative 1.5440. Okay. Number 9 can actually be done two ways. I'll show you both. 8 to the x plus 1 equals 4. Since both of these I can write as base 2, I could treat it that way. So this is 2 cubed to the x plus 1. This is 2 squared. Get them both to be the same base. Now I can multiply these. 2 to the x plus 3 equals 2 squared. So now that I have these two to be the same base, I can equate the exponents. So 3x plus 3 equals 2. Subtract 3. 3x is negative 1. X is negative 1/3. That's how you would do it without a calculator. This is the exact value. Okay, method 2 with a calculator. Again, log both sides, log. Then x plus 1 gets to come down in front. Okay, x plus 1 log 8 equals log 4. Divide by log 8. So x plus 1 is log 4 divided by log 8. And then subtract 1. So x is log 4 divided by log 8 minus 1. Okay, so I'm going to go log 4 divided by log 8 and then subtract 1. So there it is, log 4 divided by log 8. Not sure we can see it there. Minus 1. Negative 0.333, repeating, that's negative 1/3. Okay. This one, 3 to the 2x plus 1 equals 2. Log both sides. You could also do ln. 2x plus 1 comes in front. Divide by log 3. 2x plus 1 equals log 2 over log 3. Subtract 1. Divide 2. So you have this big mess. Okay, negative 0.1845. So I would do this thing first, subtract 1, and then divide it by 2. Okay, this is if you want to go slower. Log 2 is that. Log 3 is that. So just this fraction is this thing, and then I took away 1 and then divided by 2. So you can do it that way also. Okay, 17 is similar. 15 to the 3x minus 4 equals 10. Log both sides, log. That enables you to bring the exponent down. 3x minus 4 log 15 equals log 10. Divide both sides by log 15. Looks like that. Add 4. Divide 3. So x is log 10 divided by log 15 plus 4, all divided by 3. Okay, I'll show it to you slowly. So log 10 divided by log 15. Log 10 divided by log 15 is 0.85 whatever. Okay, then I'm going to add 4, so plus 4 to that. 4.85 blah, blah, blah. And then after that, I'm going to divide it by 3. So divided by 3. 1.61675 blah, blah, blah. Round it to 4 digits, 1.6168. Okay, 21. 3 to the negative 4x is 81. This can be done without a calculator because I realized 81 is 3 to the 4th power. So I write it as 3 to the 4th. 3 to something, 3 to something. These two somethings have to be equal. So negative 4x equals 4 or x is negative 1. Okay. How do you do it with a calculator? So starting over again, 3 to something equals 81. Log both sides. Okay, then the negative 4x comes down in front. Solve for x, divide by negative 4 log 3, negative 4 log 3. So x is log 81 divided by negative 4 log 3. And if you punch that in the calculator the right way, you should also get negative 1. Okay, and a side note, okay, you might ask, what is natural log of e? Okay, natural log is log base e of e. Call it x, unscramble it. E to the x is equal to e. So what exponent do I want up there? 1. In other words, natural log of e is 1. Okay, how do you get that in a calculator? Now my calculator, e must have an exponent. So to trick the calculator, you make it raised to the first power. So I'll show you how to do it. I hit ln of second function e to the 1. Okay, now my calculator doesn't have an E button. It does have a pi button. Okay, some of your calculators have an E button. That's not the same as this E. This is an alphanumeric E. Okay, so to get E, I put E to the 1. And there's the answer of 1, as you can see there. Okay, 100 e to the 3t equals 250. Divide both sides by 100. E to the 3t equals 2.5. Now, to get rid of an e, you take the natural log of both sides, so ln both sides. Okay. Then the 3t comes in front. And I demonstrated already that ln of e is 1. So if you multiply by 1, you can just forget about it. Okay, so I have 3t ln e is just 3t equals ln 2.5 divided by 3. So t is natural log of 2.5 divided by 3, which is about 0.3054. Okay, let me show it to you on a regular scientific calculator. So you folks would have to do 2.5 ln. So let me clear 2.5 and then hit ln, which is over here. Okay, there's that. And then I'm supposed to divide it by 3. So divided by 3 equals, and then we go 0.3054, blah, 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 blah. So approximately, squiggly equal approximately 0.3054. Okay, 29, 50e to the whatever equals 32. Divide both sides by 50. E to the negative 0.0742t equals 0.64. Okay, when you have an e involved, you want to ln both sides. So ln, this thing comes in front, negative 0.0742t, natural log of e, but natural log of e is 1, so just throw that out. And divide by negative 0.0742. So that's my t. Okay, so ln of 0.64. ln, for those of you that have an automatic left paren, then you have to close it. So ln parentheses 0.64, close parentheses, like that. And then divided by negative. Again, negative on my calculator looks like that. Don't use this one. This is subtraction. So negative, what was it? 0.0742. 0.0742 equals 6.0147. Sorry, even for you, right? 6.01465 means rounded off to 0.147. Okay, 27 is a little bit harder. So it starts off like this. 1200, 1 plus 0.072 divided by 4 to the 4t equals 25,000. Divide by 1200, so that cancels out. 25,000 divided by 1200 is 20.83 repeating. The bar means they're all 3s. This is, if I divide it out, it's 1.018. Okay, log both sides. Once I do log, 4t comes in front. Okay, so 4t log 1.018 is log of 20.83 repeating. Divide both sides by 4 log 1.018, 4 log 1.018. Okay, punch it in your calculator. Log of 20.83 repeating. If you want to type this in a calculator, just put 0.83333, just put a whole bunch of 3s. Then divided by parentheses 4 log 1.018. Comes up to be 42.5528. Okay, 31, that can be done a couple of ways. Log base 8 of 16 equals x. Okay, first you're going to unscramble it. 8 to the x equals 16. And then you can bring the x in front after you log. So log both sides. X log 8 equals log 16. Divide by log 8. X is 1.3233. Basically, it's log 16 over log